Have you ever wondered why some people live past 100 years with remarkable vitality, while others struggle with health issues much earlier in life? What if I told you that the answer might be hiding in your gut? Recent groundbreaking research has revealed that the trillions of microorganisms living in your digestive system could hold the key to a longer, healthier life. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of gut microbiota and how it influences your longevity. Your second brain, the hidden universe within. Inside your body exists a complex ecosystem more diverse than a rainforest. Your gut harbors over 100 trillion microorganisms, outnumbering your human cells by 10 to 1. Scientists now understand that these microbes aren't just passive residents, they're active participants in virtually every aspect of your health. Your gut is far more than a digestive organ. It houses 70% of your immune cells and produces 90% of the serotonin in your body, the happiness hormone that regulates mood and well-being. This is why scientists call the gut our second brain. That gut feeling you experience isn't just a metaphor, it's a real biological phenomenon, reflecting the constant communication between your gut and brain. When your gut microbiome is in balance, these tiny organisms help digest food, produce essential nutrients, regulate your immune system, and even influence your thoughts and emotions. However, when this delicate balance is disrupted, it can accelerate aging and increase your risk for numerous diseases. The remarkable gut microbiome of centenarians. Around the world, there are special regions known as blue zones, where people routinely live past 100 years with extraordinary health. Places like Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, and Ikaria in Greece have puzzled scientists for decades with their concentration of centenarians. What's their secret? When researchers analyzed the gut microbiomes of these long-lived individuals, they discovered something remarkable. The centenarians possessed distinctive gut microbial profiles, significantly different from the average person. They had higher levels of beneficial bacteria like Bifidobacterium, Lactobacillus, and Akkermansia muciniphila microbes that reduce inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and eliminate toxins. Even more fascinating, 100-year-olds often have gut microbiomes that resemble those of much younger people. It seems that maintaining a young gut might be one of the secrets to extending lifespan. Let me ask you a question. How would you rate your gut health right now? Do you experience frequent bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea? These could be signs that your gut microbiome is out of balance. Why modern gut microbiomes are under threat? Unfortunately, the gut health of modern humans faces numerous challenges. Here are the primary culprits. First, the Western diet. Processed foods, refined carbohydrates, artificial sweeteners, and trans fats promote harmful bacteria while reducing beneficial ones. Sugar, in particular, serves as premium fuel for pathogenic microbes. Second, overuse of antibiotics. While these medications save lives by killing harmful bacteria, they also destroy beneficial gut microbes. A single course of antibiotics can reduce gut microbial diversity by up to 30%, with effects lasting up to a year. Third, chronic stress. Stress hormones weaken the gut barrier and alter the composition of gut microbes. Have you ever experienced digestive problems during stressful periods? That's the gut-brain axis in action. Fourth, lack of sleep. Sleep regulates the circadian rhythm of your gut microbiota. Irregular sleep patterns disrupt this balance, affecting everything from digestion to immune function. Finally, environmental pollutants. Pesticides, chemicals from plastics, and heavy metals can damage gut microbes and compromise the intestinal barrier. How many of these factors affect your daily life? Most modern humans unknowingly engage in habits that harm their gut microbiome every day. The astonishing impact of gut health on your body. A healthy gut microbiome does far more than aid digestion and regular bowel movements. Recent research has revealed its remarkable influence throughout your body. Immune strength. Beneficial gut bacteria inhibit the growth of pathogens, and activate immune cells to prevent infections and cancer. Your resistance to diseases like COVID-19 is closely linked to your gut health. Brain health. Your gut and brain communicate constantly through the vagus nerve and various chemical messengers. Healthy gut microbes promote the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, reducing depression and anxiety while enhancing cognitive function. They also lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Metabolic regulation. Gut microbes play a crucial role in regulating weight, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. Did you know that the gut microbiome composition differs significantly between obese and thin individuals? Even more surprising, when researchers transplanted gut microbes from obese humans into thin mice, the mice became obese despite no change in diet. Skin health. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis are closely connected to gut health. When gut health improves, these skin conditions often naturally resolve, slowing aging. Healthy gut microbes help preserve the length of telomeres, the caps at the end of chromosomes that protect our genetic material. Telomeres shorten as we age, and the rate of shortening predicts longevity. Which of these benefits interests you most? Isn't it remarkable that improving your gut microbiome could provide all these health advantages? Foods that transform your gut microbiome. Fortunately, your gut microbiome can change rapidly based on your diet. Research shows that microbial shifts begin within just 48 hours of dietary changes. So which foods support a healthy gut ecosystem? Prebiotics. These are fibers that feed beneficial bacteria. Rich sources include garlic, onions, asparagus, bananas, oats, apples, and flax seeds. Green bananas, in particular, contain resistant starch, a superfood for beneficial gut microbes. Probiotics. These are foods containing live beneficial bacteria. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, miso, natto, and kombucha are excellent sources. Consuming a variety of fermented foods is particularly beneficial. Diverse plant foods to increase microbial diversity. Eat a wide range of plant foods. Research shows that people who consume more than 30 different plant foods weekly have the most diverse gut microbiomes. How many different fruits and vegetables do you eat in a typical week? Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s reduce gut inflammation and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Polyphenols. These antioxidants found in berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and red wine stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful ones. Here's a quick quiz. Which of the following is not a probiotic food? Yogurt, banana, kimchi, or miso? I'll reveal the answer shortly. Lifestyle habits for optimal gut health. Beyond diet, several lifestyle factors significantly impact your gut microbiome. Regular exercise. Moderate physical activity increases microbial diversity and improves gut motility. Aerobic exercise particularly increases bacteria that produce butyrate, a compound essential for gut health. Sufficient sleep. Sleep regulates the circadian rhythm of your gut microbes. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial. Stress management. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and walks in nature effectively reduce stress hormones that directly impact gut health. Contact with nature. Exposure to soil, plants, and animals provides diverse beneficial microbes. Research shows that gut microbial diversity decreases with increasing urbanization. Intermittent fasting, allowing a 12 to 16 hour fasting period daily, helps restore gut microbes and regenerate the intestinal lining. Judicious use of antibiotics. Only use antibiotics when necessary, and consider probiotic supplementation after antibiotic treatment. Which of these habits could you start implementing today? Even small changes can make a significant difference. The answer to our quiz is banana. While bananas are excellent for gut health, they are prebiotics, food for beneficial bacteria, not probiotics, which contain live beneficial bacteria. Gut health and the future of medicine. Gut microbiome research is opening new frontiers in medicine. Personalized nutrition based on microbiome analysis is becoming possible, and treatments that manipulate gut microbes to treat specific diseases are being developed. Particularly noteworthy is fecal microbiota transplantation, FMTA treatment that transfers gut microbes from a healthy donor to a patient. It already shows remarkable success rates in treating Clostridioides difficile infections and may eventually be applied to obesity, diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and autism. Your interest in gut health now is the best investment in your future well-being. Balancing your gut microbiome not only extends lifespan, but also significantly enhances quality of life.